Now for this hour's car review. 2024 Volkswagen Atlas. This is their big SUV. Comes in these trim levels. SE, SE with Tech, SEL, SEL Premium, and R-Line. I had the SE. This is called a small SUV. We're going to call it a midsize, all right?
Okay.
Seats 7, because it's a 3-row. Exterior changes, all new in 2018, and lots of updates for 2024. Horizontal grille element with some trim levels, faux lower skid plate treatment, pronounced wheel well bulges on this vehicle. The fake dual exhaust ports in the back end, and attractive rear lighting as well. Got some good-looking wheels, too.
Mm-hmm.
And they're not all the brushed metal. Some of them. See, there's one that's got a different kind of grille. That's the R, which is the hot rod version, if you will. We didn't have that. We had the SE. What I liked about it, the overall attractive look and stance. What could use improvement? Nothing. Interior highlights. Roomy for a 3-row. And I rarely see that because most of the time, these manufacturers cram the 3rd row into the back, and there's really no leg room.
Yep.
This one actually does. It has leg room back there. Quality materials with attractive design elements in the interior. Handy storage under the center console. It's got a little pass-through area so the ladies can put their purse under there, whatever you'd like to. Easy-to-use infotainment system and a thumb finger shifter. I don't know how else to do it. It's a thumb and finger shifter that you kind of move back and forth.
Oh, darn.
Maybe it's in this video. I don't know. But it's different, and it works well. I like it. What I liked about the vehicle, the interior, I like the overall comfort
There's
level.
the thumb
there you go, right there. What could use improvement? The fuel gauge is too small. Now, you can blame it on my old tired eyes, but I still think it's too small. It's too hard to read. And you can't tell when you got a half a tank.
Oh.
It just doesn't do it for me. So VW, go back to school on the fuel gauge, would you? 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged motor that turns out 269 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. 8-speed automatic transmission with a tow rating of 5,000 pounds. Gets 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 on the highway for a combined of 23. Not bad. I got 19.8 over 310 miles. What I liked about it, gets you on the freeway just fine. What could use improvement? It has this odd sound from under the hood that kind of goes like this.
Okay.
I don't understand what it's from.
Did you cough after that?
Were you sleeping?
No, seriously. So you step on the accelerator pedal and it goes, and then you let off the accelerator pedal or then they go. Well, I don't know what is that?
Don't know.
I don't know what that is.
I have no idea.
Oh, we can make up some stuff.
I know. I think we will.
I knew a guy one time. He was a disc jockey, and he was a heavy set kind of guy. And I didn't actually go into the studio. He had the studio door open. I just walked past it, but I could hear him in there breathing, going.
So you thought of this guy, did you?
But I thought of this guy because that's what it comes out under the hood. I don't understand. Anyway, I love the car-like ride of this. What could use improvement? Nothing other than the breathing. Base trim price, $37,995. Price is tested $39,075. Base price, $37,995.
Okay.
All of the stuff is included in the price. I like that. Competitors for a 3-row now, okay? 3-row vehicle. All are Asian. Kia Telluride, $35,990. Toyota Grand Highlander, $43,320. And the Honda Pilot, $37,090.
Maybe it was the Darth Vader version.
Maybe it was. I didn't know.
I am your Volkswagen.
Oh, gosh.
Let's redo that review.
No, I'm not going to read. They'll have to figure that one out themselves. Today's In Wheel Time Car Talk Show is sponsored by the group of original Lupi Tortilla restaurants in Houston, Beaumont, and College Station, Gulf Coast Auto Shield, and Pro-Am Auto Accessories. We continue with our show after this quick break. Pro-Am